Hello, my friends. This is Ms. M with the AcCEL program through TCOE. I'm so glad you could join me today. Today, we will go over Summer ULS lesson number 5. In this lesson, we get to read about the different rides we can find at the amusement park. Do you like rides? I do. I like fast ones. Before we get started, I'm going to take 1 minute and invite our Spanish-speaking friends. Hola, ¿qué tal? Aquí la maestra M. Me da mucho gusto que nos acompañen. Hoy, su estudiante aprenderá de alguno de los paseos que se encuentran en un parque de atracciones. Así es de que, por favor, acompáñenos a aprender juntos. Okay, my friends. The title of this article is Let's Ride. Let's follow along.
Let's ride. Amusement parks have many types of rides. You can choose what you want to ride. The merry-go-round is a slow ride. The floor spins around. The seats move up and down.
Let's stop right there. Let's take a look at our first question. The merry-go-round is a slow ride. The merry-go-round is a gravity ride. The merry-go-round is a up ride. The merry-go-round is a fast ride. Or the merry-go-round is a force ride. What do you think? Let's go back to our first page and read this sentence. The merry-go-round is a slow ride. We're slow. Okay, let's click on slow.
Slow.
We got it. Let's reread it. Number 1, the merry-go-round is a slow ride. Question number 2. Log rides float, slow and down hills. Log rides float, gravity and down hills. Log rides float up and down hills. Log rides float fast and down hills. Or log rides float force and down hills. Let's read the next page. Maybe we could find our answer there. Oh, what are these? These look like log rides. Ready? Here we go.
Log rides are fun and wet. The logs float up and down hills. They make a big splash.
Oh, they look like fun. The log rides float up and down hills. I think we found our answer. Where's up? Up. Let's click on up.
Up.
Let's reread. Log rides float up and down hills. Okay, number 3. The slow of the bump pushes other cars. The gravity of the bump pushes other cars. The fast of the bump pushes other cars. Or the force of the bump pushes other cars. Let's go on to the next page and maybe we could find our answer.
Bumper cars are small electric cars. They bump into each other. The force of the bump pushes other cars.
The force of the bump pushes other cars. Where's force? Right there. Let's click on force.
Force.
Got it. Let's reread it. The force of the bump pushes other cars. Good job. Okay. Number 4. Blank pulls the cart quickly down the tracks. I wonder what that is. Slow pulls the cart quickly down the tracks. Gravity pulls the cart quickly down the tracks. Up pulls the cart quickly down the tracks. Fast pulls the cart quickly down the tracks. Or force pulls the cart quickly down the tracks? Let's read the next page and see if we can find our answer.
A free fall ride is fast. A cart moves up a tall track. It waits at the top. It drops. Gravity pulls the cart quickly down the track.
Gravity. Gravity pulls the cart quickly down the track. Gravity. Let's click on it.
Gravity.
Awesome. Okay, question number 5. If a roller coaster has big hills, it moves. What do you think? If the roller coaster has big hills, it moves slow. If a roller coaster has big hills, it moves up. If a roller coaster has big hills, it moves fast. If a roller coaster has big hills, it moves forwards. Let's go on to the next page and see if we can find our answer. Roller coaster moves in many sizes. If a roller coaster has big hills, it moves fast. Some go upside down. Which ride would you choose? I think we found our answer. Let's reread this sentence. If a roller coaster has big hills, it moves fast. Fast.
Fast.
We did it. My friends, thank you so much for helping me complete this lesson. Now, which ride would you choose? Would you choose the roller coaster? Would you choose the free fall ride? I wouldn't. I'd be too scared. But it's okay if you want to. The bumper cars? Would you like to get on the bumper cars? What about the log rides? I think I would choose the log rides too. I like that one. And the merry-go-round. Think about it. Which one would you choose? Okay, my friends. Well, thank you again for joining me, and we will see you next time. Goodbye.